Student and Instructor Profiles. By the end of this video, you will be able to create a student profile, enroll a student to a course, navigate the student overview page, create an instructor profile. On the navigation header, click on Students. A list of existing students is displayed in the middle of the screen. Select All Courses in the course filter to display all of the students. Let's start by adding a student. Click New Student. The fields marked in red are mandatory. First name, last name, laterality, and simulator password code, which must be a 4-digit password and between the numbers 1 to 4. All other fields are optional. However, to access the student's software, an email address will be required. Check the admin box only if you want the user or student to have access in the simulator to the system settings, where critical configurations can be made. After you click Continue, you have the option to select the course or courses to which the student will be enrolled in. Double-click on a student to view the student overview, which shows the list of enrolled courses with the associated progress and statistical analysis for their skills. Select Manage Courses to add or remove the student from the list of available courses. Now, to add an instructor profile to use the teacher software, click on Account and Settings on the navigation header. Manage Accounts, and then click on New Instructor. In this case, all fields are required. An instructor user profile is only for the use with the teacher software, and it helps instructors within the same institution to keep their content organized and not overlapping each other's content. An instructor user profile does not have access in the simulator. For additional information on setting up your AugmentedArc welding training system, see your owner's manual or visit millerwelds.com.